Hello YouTube, today I'm going to show you how to build a Lego van vehicle. Enjoy! Now for this vehicle, I'm using a different technique of going about the front and back. They're not exactly the same. I have like a regular piece, so they're a bit different. Okay, there's my piece. Okay, and 2 by 3, 2 by 4, by 3. Okay, and I'm going to place my 1 by 2 there. Okay, now I'm going to take my light. I'm going to attach it to this. It has a license on it. Attach them in the form of an L shape. Then I'm going to take a 1 by 2 plate on each side. And then, hold on. I'm going to add a 1 by 1 up top like this. And then add one of these pieces to the side. Like this. And that's your back end. Then you can stick it on right here. Okay, now I'm going to do the back. Window piece. 4 1 by 1 bricks. 4 slopes. Okay, I'll stop right there. And take your steering wheel and place it right here on the inside. Okay. Now we're going to do the front. Okay, so actually no, we'll continue to do the back. So place your windows right here. Like so. And then put that off to the side. Then take this piece, a 2 by 4 plate, 2 1 by 6 plates, and this piece, place it on like this. Then take 2 1 by 3s, 2 dark gray transparent 1 by 1 plates, put them on like that to create your roof. I'm just setting this here. That'll be your roof for your truck. I'm just seeing. So, yeah, that's right. I take your window piece and a 2 by 4 plate, and then attach that to where the lights are like this. And that'll be your front end and your roof attached, I think. Oh wait, no. Like that. And then, yeah, 4 slopes. Again, forgot about that part, like that. And then, once you attach it, it should look like that. But don't attach it just yet. Okay, then we're going to work on the front. I'm going to take this piece, a 1 by 2 plate for each side, a 1 by 1 for, on top like that, and then the same pieces used for the back go on like this. Oh wait, did I mess up somewhere? No wait, no I didn't. it goes. I forgot the 1x2. Okay. And then on the very front, you're going to add this checkered piece, like that. Also, in the back, right here, add a 2x4 plate. Okay. Now that that's like that, where'd my little package go? Okay. I'll have to find it some other time, but it's just like that. Now take your 2 pieces like this, 2 brackets, and add them onto the sides like this. Okay, now that you've done that, perfect. Now, take a 2x2, place like that, and 2 grills. Place them on like so. Then you can add your roof like this. Then, take your 2 1x1 slopes, place them on like this. Take this piece, flip it up. Take your grill, place it on like so. And take your lights and place them on like this. And boom. There's your Lego truck. May not be the coolest looking truck, but I mean, gets the job done. Can look good in any city, if you put it in your city. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.